actually changed my life and also changed the understanding of people who live with chronic pain.
It's just a beautiful, beautiful way with the music, with the singing, the humor. Humor is such a great healer as well. So thank you so much.
Current president of the Ontario Physiotherapy Association. And Pain the Musical will make you rethink how you provide care for chronic pain patients.
It was remarkable. I probably cried 20 times. The stories and emotions and everything it evoked is so real.
Pain the Musical was really inspiring. As a person with chronic pain, it really captured and highlighted what I go through on a regular basis. And
that we're not alone and we're getting the help that we need to actually face the things that we don't want to face.
I love being at the show. It made me very emotional. I laughed and I teared. I think it illustrates people like me really well who live with chronic pain.
And I walked away not only laughing a little bit, but deeply moved. So I really am happy I came here.
And I was shocked to actually be moved to tears, so I would highly recommend it.
Pain the Musical. It's one of the most human experiences I've seen. The audience was moved. We all related in so many different ways.
What an amazing show. It was really great as someone who suffers from chronic pain.
So I'm a social worker in the school board, and this spoke to me in so many ways. I love the theme of pain and how it can bring us together and build connection rather than being something that needs to be denied and that isolates us.
I'm a community support worker as well as a chronic pain sufferer, and I would encourage people to come to the show.
This was an amazing show about pain.
And the music was beautifully written, the singing was touching, and I would personally say is Tony Award material.
A very enlightening, a beautiful play.
It was amazing, incredible vocals and a great message, and everyone should come out and support. It was incredible.